Here is a wonderful 2022 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax delivers the functionality of a compact SUV, technology that keeps you connected and safe, flexible cargo space, efficiency, and a sense of fun. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, power steering. Why not have a car that was created for your no-nonsense lifestyle? Get into the Trax.